Do you use SOLIDWORKS configurations? They're easy and they're powerful. Hey guys, welcome back to our tips and tricks series where we cover all things SOLIDWORKS. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see, please comment below, and as usual, make sure you like and subscribe. So configurations, they're like a variation on a theme. They work for parts, they work for assemblies, and it allows me to capture and control anything parametric about my models, like dimensions. This simple bin can come in multiple sizes. That's a variation of a theme. We'll make a small version, a medium version, and a large version. It's easy to capture the content that goes inside, and even control the suppression state of features, colors, the number of instances in a pattern. Again, they're easy and powerful. We can even use Microsoft Excel to create a design table. Think of it as a log or a ledger of all of our various configurations. They're easy to work with too. We'll let SOLIDWORKS automatically create the design table, and we can add more configurations and more parameters that we wish to control. Once we've built our configurations, we can easily convert them into more publishable and easier to use content. Let's add a couple more configurations, control some dimensions, and even the suppression state of a feature. Let's look at our work. We've created 3 configurations and a 4th that controls whether or not our keyhole feature is available. But how do we use these? Well, the configuration publisher allows us to create an interface. When we use this component into an assembly, configuring it and using it will become super simple. I add the elements to the configuration publisher that I want to control based off of my configurations. Simply drag and drop, and you're ready to execute. Let's go to an assembly, and you'll see what I mean. When I insert my component, it already knows that the configurations exist, and I can access the configuration publisher automatically. Now through drop-downs, or text fields, or radio buttons, I have a very intuitive and easy to use interface that allows me to leverage all those configurations. Fun, isn't it? It's easy, it's powerful, it's SOLIDWORKS.